that has been known for bringing you microfiber over the years here at QVC. We've sold millions and millions of microfiber towels. We're going to bring you the loopy towels in a windshield and glass cleaning kit. Allie, have you seen this before?
Ooh, I've seen it.
This is the best invention on the planet. Cleans any glass surface, any mirrored surface without any lint left behind. But more importantly, if you've got a car, you need to get this. I was looking for this months ago, trying to find something for that solution to clean the windshield, and I could not find it. Today, for $6 on a credit card, we're giving you the opportunity. And by the way, it also has a squeegee on board. It comes with the extension pole. The 55220 is your item number. Chris Campanelli is here with us. Everybody needs to get this. We have it for you in 3 color choices. This sold out back in, was it December-ish? With you and myself.
Yep.
We have it for you in a navy blue. We have it for you in the aqua. We also have it in the coral.
That's a brand new color.
Brand new today.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
But show us why you created this.
Yeah, well, so first of all, there's a difference between washing your windows and cleaning and maintaining your windows, right?
Yes.
So that's why we give you 2 different pads. Originally, when we started this, Alberti, it was to your point, we wanted to find something that was easy to clean the inside of the windshield. So we said, hey, we'll start with a triangular head and a little handle here. But then we said, well, you have windows way up high, you have big windows that are really big. So we said, we'll give you one of our new Pro Series poles, and then we'll give you the 2 different pads. The chenille pad with the long fingers, great for deep cleaning and washing your windows. We're going to show you why that's so important for scrubbing. And then to your point, the loopy pad, which is great for cleaning and maintaining with absolutely 0 lint.
And you're going to do it with just water.
We're going to do it with just water.
Right? You don't have to buy the extra chemical, which smells horrible, by the way. And often you're fighting that because it leaves streaks.
And they have ammonia in them too, right? So which can actually dry out your windows and do all of that nasty stuff. You don't want to do that. We're going to show you how to clean and maintain and polish.
We're already busy. If you want navy, it's running out the door. We have aqua. We have that beautiful coral. Already 400 people have decided to put this in their carts and check out. Take a look at this, right? So again, not just for the car, but really you'll buy it for the car.
So let's start showing you about washing your windows. So ordinarily what you do is you get that blue stuff, right? That's filled with ammonia. And the first thing you do is you spray a bunch of it on the window, right? Well, first of all, I don't want you to do that because why? You're using entirely too much of that solution. So with the chenille pad, I want you to put a couple drops of like dish soap on there and just take the water and then spray the pad itself, because what's going to happen is now that the dish soap is in the pad, those chenille fingers are going to scrub all of that dirt and mess, the triangular heads, to get into those hard to reach corners, right, when you're cleaning the windows. Now here's the most important part with the squeegee. I'm going to come to the side here. There's a little nub that we're going to take, and a little nub and a hole that we're going to line up. We're going to push this inside like this, lock it into place like that, and then we're going to use the squeegee on the back side with a little bit of pressure to now clean your windows, right?
We have 2 tools at home right now that are like that. This is all one tool.
This is on one tool.
It's on an extension pole or the shorter pole. And you can use it for so much more because of that triangle shape.
And then now when we want to clean and polish the windows, like on the inside or on the car, using the loopy, the same thing. We don't want to spray the window. We just want a little bit of water on the pad itself. This is the loopy towel pad. This is the same thing. We're going to use, you can see that the residual moisture is going to essentially evaporate. Now, again, that triangle head gets into those hard to reach places. But I want you to think the reason why we're using this long pole, imagine if this was like a sliding glass door. I can get way up high, and now I can come all the way down low, get where maybe the puppies go outside and leave the nose prints on the doors. All the way up and down, and that's just using it for here. And then, Alberti, I know you love this, you peel these off, you put them in the washing machine, and you get to use them over and over and over again.
You never have to buy those reusable pads or anything like that.
That's just inside the house. Right?
We're going to take it to the car.
This is awesome. Coral's that new color. This one's the teal, and a lot of you are loving the navy. Be sure to put this in your cart. If you want the navy, we have 2,000 remaining. That's it, under $30. And then just a few more in some of our other colors. With over 1,000 picked up. The last time it was on air, it was so popular. By the way, you did ask for it in our show. It took us almost a month to get it into Saturday Morning Q.
And by the way, the quantities that we have, I don't know if we can get back into them. Take a look at this, right? Because the thing is that this is the reason why I was looking for it. Especially this time of year, you get in the car, you turn the heat on, it's cold outside. What happens? All the streaks, all of like the lint, everything that blocks your vision, that's dangerous.
And that's because your window window is both clean on the, or dirty on the outside and on the
And
inside.
Yeah.
But the reason why we give you the 2 pads also is because let's say you wanted to use the chenille to dust the dashboard.
sure.
That's great.
Get all the way over into that corner where I
into
can't
the
reach.
end.
Yes,
Into
all
the
the way
ends.
over here to
Your
where you would
hand
never
can't
be able
reach
to
under
reach. Like,
there.
look, the big SUV, I can't get my hand all the way in there without reaching,
Yeah.
right? But then what I really love about this is you peel off the 1 pad, and then you put on what I think is the most important pad. This is that loopy pad. So we're going to take this and we're going to clean
Look at this.
all the
Look at
way
this.
down.
Look at, watch this. He gets all the way to
down
the
where
edge.
you can't reach,
Ooh.
right? You know
no
how you
streaks left behind.
and look, I'm cleaning all the way over here, all the way up into the top corner with from the driver's seat, and then all the way down to the
Right.
bottom corner from the driver's seat. That's the whole idea. You want to use the triangular head to get where you can't reach,
Yeah.
but both clean the inside and
It
the
will be
outside. And we'll take the
crystal clear.
large
Yeah.
extension pole, right? Here's where you want to clean the windshield. This is to Alberti's point. We give you the long extension pole to get all the way over
Yeah.
on the other side of the car, right? Cleaning this way and then flipping it over, and then you can use the squeegee to kind of get that off.
All
Your
right,
one's
so
at the
listen.
gas station.
Oh, yeah. What's in that water?
I
You have
can't
no
even-
idea.
Well, and I can't
Lord.
even reach.
That's the whole
if
idea,
you can't
right.
reach over your vehicle,
Right.
whether it's a standard
Yeah.
sedan or not,
Right.
you've got to have this. This is so good.
Listen, I'm 6'2" and I can't reach across that.
Okay, good to know.
But
It's
I'll
not
tell
just
you,
a me
this can.
problem.
Yes, exactly. We have it for you in the coral. If you want it, we have 2,600 remaining. We have it for you in the aqua. 2,400 remain. We have it in the navy blue. That's the most popular. Fewer than 1,700 remain. You get the loopy towel, the chenille towels. You get the smaller pole as well as the extension pole. Over 2,000 people are placing orders. B55220 is your item number.
I would
Here's what I'll
consider
also
more
say.
than one.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
would
Here's what
keep
I'll
one
also
in the
say.
bathroom.
Keep
If
one in the
you-
car.
Yes, and one in the car.
Yeah, and take a look at your video over here, right? So you're using it all over the house.
And when we shot this video, Alberto, I'm telling you, we shot this at my brother Joe's house, and we said, wow, look at all of the places that we can use it. On your mirrors, in the bathroom, way up high, on your backsplash, on the cabinets if you wanted to, right? If you have glass countertops or glass cabinets. The shower enclosure, right? Change the pad, do all the way up to the ceiling, down to the floor. Change the pad. You can even clean and scrub the floor of the shower enclosure if you wanted to. Those sliding glass windows are so important. The squeegee on the end here, that is my truck out in the parking lot, and that's Joe, my brother. 6'2", same thing. Couldn't reach all the way to the other side,
Oh, yeah.
but using that long extension pole to get to the other side
Just
of
to
the
be
window.
clear, the brother cleaned your truck.
Yeah, that's right.
That's very nice.
well, that is very nice.
Well,
that is very nice.
Because this brother has to shoot the video.
Listen, for under $30, I mean, to me, it's a no-brainer. It's
Oh,
a
yeah.
no-brainer to have multiples, especially with how many have been spoken for already in
Yeah.
the
And
show.
I will tell you that if you go and look and search and Google and try and find something like this, you don't get a pad this size.
No.
The pads that that are available online, they're this big.
Yeah.
They're half the size. These, and by the way, they're not the loopy towels like this, and they're not padded
No.
like this.
Yes.
So they really
Yeah.
are a better cleaning experience.
Yes.
The Campanellis have been doing this for what now, 50 years? Or,
For over 50 years,
Over
yeah, in the
50
business here at
years.
QVC for 21 years.
So they really know how to bring you superior products. They are the kings of microfiber. Nobody does microfiber like them, but they made it even better with this loopy towel. There's no lint left behind.
None.
Let's show everyone
Yeah,
again what
sure.
you can do over here, right? So remember, whether it's the navy, the aqua, or the coral, they're all gonna work the same. And we're giving you the opportunity to pick it up today at that price of less than $30 or a $6 easy pay of V55220. Okay.
All right, so remember, that's why we're giving you the 2 different pads, because
Yeah.
you're going to
I'll
scrub
sit over
and
here.
wash your windows, and then you're going to kind of clean and maintain your windows. We'll start outside by scrubbing the windows. So the first thing you don't want to do is spray all the solution on the window because you're using entirely too much.
Yeah.
Take the chenille pad, put a couple drops of dish soap on here, spray the water directly on the pad, and then here's the idea. Use the power of the microfiber in the pad and a little bit of dish soap to scrub the windows. The triangular head gets all the way into the corners, and then of course we put the squeegee on the end here, but we'll pop out over here. We'll give you a nice little shot of here popping this into place. Boom, that little piece right there pops into place. You flip it over on the other side. Now you're using the squeegee to get off all of that sud and get all the pollen and the nasty stuff from the winter that gets on there. But then the whole idea is that you peel this off, put it in the washing machine, and then when you want to clean the inside of the windows,
Yep.
you're going to transition to that loopy pad. And the same thing for the loopy towels, right? You're not going to spray anything on the windows. You're going to spray directly onto the pad itself. And then we're going to take this directly to the window without spraying anything on the window. You can see the little bit of residual moisture is going to evaporate. The triangular head gets all the way into the corner. corner. And then what I love about using it on the large pole is if this were a sliding glass door, I can clean all the way up high, but now I can get down low where the dogs or the kittens or the cats get maybe fingerprints and stuff on the door.
This is the reason I picked up mine.
And then
this
you
is
peel
the
it
reason
off and you put it in the wash machine.
I was like, oh my gosh, this is the best thing ever. We were presenting it and I was losing my mind. I was like, you gotta get this. Today we have it for you back in stock. Over 3,500 people are picking it up right now. And you'll use it indoors.
Yes.
You'll use it in the house. I know you will because you have mirrors, you have glass all over your house.
Yes.
But here's what you want to do. You want to pick it up for the car as well because that's one of those safety things right now, right? Like right now is when your windows fog up. This will help with your visibility when you're driving. And by the way, also on the back window as well. Navy, if you want it in the navy, 400 remain.
Oh, wow.
Okay, if you want it in the aqua, we have 1,900. That's it. Coral, 2,100. How many have been spoken for already? In this show alone, 4,000. Add that to the 33,000 that we have already sold.
Yeah.
And you have a bestseller. These are brands that we love, brands that you love. And today we're giving it to you on 5 easy monthly payments. Everything on QVC.com just throughout this show until 2 p.m. But show us again this demonstration because here's what I'll show you, right?
Yes.
If I'm in here and I'm trying to clean, not only am I breaking my knuckles, but I'm not getting every surface clean. I'm not getting to the edge here.
But watch this. I can do that from the driver's side seat and not even have to break a sweat or a knuckle. I can get all the way into the corner because the whole idea is if I'm driving the car and something's a little nasty, I can't even get my hands all the way out.
That gets all
the way into the corner.
All the way to the corners.
That's the whole
and
idea.
It cleans everything.
Yes, and to your point, we made the pad oversized, so in these large SUVs, it doesn't take a lot to clean the entirety of the windshield, right? All the way up here in the corner. Sorry for blocking your face.
Which means you're actually
all
going
the
to
way
clean
down
it.
here. Yes, you're going to right. You're going to do it because it's not
going to do it.
Right, and then to your point, the large one out here on the windshield, right? You're 6'2", I'm 6 foot, but can we shake hands across this one?
No, we can't.
No, we can't even reach. But that's the whole idea.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I can get all the way over to Alberti and clean the windshield if I wanted to, pop it into place, and then use the squeegee on the back to scrub.
Half of our quantities are gone of what we brought in. If you want it, now is your chance. Check out your shopping cart, get it home, see what it's all about. I have a personal affinity for this because the thing is that I was looking for one, and when I saw Chris have it here at QVC, I was like, I need this for myself. It's one of the best ideas because we're giving you the loopy towels. Nobody else has the loopy towels.
No, nobody.
Even if you get microfiber, you don't get lint-free. Here's an update on what's going on. Navy, it's gone.
Oh,
it's sold
goodbye
out.
Navy.
Goodbye Navy.
Well, ignore me, I only have a Navy here.
If you want aqua, we have 1,600 remaining. If you want the coral, 1,900 remaining, but they're going really quick. $6 on a credit card, 5,000 orders already placed. I'm telling you, this is a must-have purchase.
I agree.
Because if you have a house, if you have mirrors, if you have windows, if you have a car, you will use this more than you use, I think, any other type of microfiber or sponge or anything in your home. Because here's why.
Yeah, and that's why we give you the extension pole, Alberti, because if you do have windows, right, sometimes they're high. Like my windows are about 9 feet high, in our house. But I want to make sure that I can scrub all the way into the corners without having to get on a chair or a ladder. I think about my mom all the time. How's my mom, who's 87, still lives independently, wants to clean her windows, but can't? I don't want her to get on a chair or a ladder. But we're going to take this, we're going to lock it into place with this little squeegee on the end here. Now we're going to come back and we're going to get rid of all of that nasty stuff on the window using the squeegee. And then when you want to use it on the inside, first of all, when this gets dirty, you peel it off, you put it in the washing machine. And then when you want to use it on the inside, you transition to the loopy towel pad. So you're spraying it directly on the pad itself rather than on the window.
They're not going to last.
And then the same thing. Look, this residual moisture is going to evaporate not only up high in the corners, but again, if this were a sliding glass door, I can get all the way down to the bottom. But the best part, Alberti loves this. Peel it off, put it in the washing machine.
You never have
over
to
and
buy
over and over
any
again.
of the reusable stuff. All right, listen. If you want it in the aqua that Chris has, fewer than 1,200 to go around. If you want it in the coral, 1,700 to go around. We got a lot of people on the phone lines, and with an $6 easy pay, pick this up and try it out. V552200 is your item number. Chris Campanelli.
Good to see you, buddy.
Always a pleasure to have you in the show.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, so listen, we've got a way to keep you running.
Keep you moving. Hey, we've got Rika in the show.